So I got a bunch of parts here from Classic Car Industries because they carry a lot of mopar parts. Mopar parts. Yes, that's how you say it. A battery tray, we didn't have that. Now we do. Hell yeah. And also, I was lucky enough to buy all this stuff while they had their January savings, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Black Week, month, year, whatever. I don't know what the hell it was. But I saved a few $100, so that's great. Got a brand new engine harness here, which is a voltage regulator, ignition ECU version. You can get two different ones from pre-70 and back and 70 and up. So this is the 70 and up, of course. And there's also some other small things in this, like alternator, starter wires, probably some other stuff. Is that windshield wipers switch? I don't know. Ignition column, stuff like that, and also for the distributor. Battery tray, yeah, as I said. Also got all hardware for that. It was like a complete kit, so we got like the strap, the J-hooks, the nuts, the bolts to the body, everything. OER kit. They make a lot of like OE parts. We got this brand new front light wiring harness, because again, that harness was missing also. So this is of course a 7173 B body, which fits all cars exclusively 4 doors and station wagon. Could you imagine that? A station wagon roadrunner? I could. That could be pretty cool. And last but not least, this big old harness. Man, that's heavy. This is the under dash harness. So that's the fuse block, and then also the fuse. The other side of the fuse block, I don't know what you're gonna call it, like the plug that goes out through the firewall that you have right there, and that's the fuse block. By the way, you got the part number there, MB2453, if you guys wanna order that too for your 73 Roadrunner. And then we got all other wires in here. This is for a complete dash, everything, gauges, heater, air condition, pretty much everything. I don't know if air condition is included in this one. I think I took one without. Now next up, we got brake lines. I want to go manual brakes in this thing, so that's also why I've gone with braided steel lines, because it gives you a better pedal feel. Normal rubber hoses have a tendency to have a more like mushy or soft feeling, because the lines expand when they get pressure, where these stay the same. So you get like a nice hard pedal, firm pedal, like if you ever driven like a rental go-kart or something like that, they have the same stuff. Or a race car, if you tried that or whatever, with manual brakes, this is the same stuff. So we got 2 lines for the front here, and I don't know what company this is, it doesn't say anywhere, but it's a real nice kit for 73, 76 A body and B body. And it comes with O-rings, it comes with the clips, it comes with the banjo fittings, and yeah, also the clips to attach to the body. It's real nice, and they almost cost the same as rubber ones. However, the rear one was a little bit expensive, because we gotta have this big old bronze or whatever union this is that sits on top of the rear end that goes out to the rear lines. But same deal here, all the clips, all the hardwares for the rear as well. So that's real nice. Then over here I got a power steering bracket kit for big blocks, and we're gonna use this kit for, sorry, is this for alternator kit? Sorry, yeah, because I was just about to say, I'm pretty sure I got a power steering bracket kit in my Borgerson power steering kit that I bought, so that would be kind of tough. Oh god, brand new powder coating, mint. Damn, that's some good powder coating, no scratches. Anyway, this is an alternator kit for 1967 and later big blocks, and in this case a 383. And yeah, that looks pretty nice. Should just be bolted on. Got the spacers and everything. Then the most important thing, or whatever you want to call it, is engine mounts. We're gonna swap from right now this car is born 340 small block with a 340 small block K-member slash cross member of frame up front, and we can't use that, or we can use that, and that's why we got this conversion kit, V8 to big block and RB conversion kit for 73 and up cars, or B bodies or whatever. And pretty much the only thing you have to do is the spool mounts or whatever, I think they call it in mopar terminology. You have to, I guess, elongate the holes by like an inch or so, and to lower down the big block. And then maybe, it says, with milling high volume pumps, you have to clearance the frame for for big racing oil pumps. I don't think that's gonna be an issue. I think we have a standard pump on mine, so. But yeah, that should be pretty easy, hopefully. And we're gonna do that before taking the frame for sandblasting. And we got mounts here with bushings and everything in it, and these are, oh damn. Damn, these are crisp. Anyway, these are with poly mounts, and got all nice sync hardware as well, so it's a no-brainer. Buying original mounts and hardware and stuff is almost double the price of this kit, so I really didn't see any reason to buy anything original or try to find anything used there at home. Plus they have poly mount. Then down here we got a bunch of like miscellaneous hardware, you know, like mopar hardware that I needed. So that's stuff like J-nuts, inserts for up to the front where the frames connect. I don't know why it's not here with the car, I guess. Then we got a crank bolt, because I didn't have a crank bolt on my 383 when I bought it. That was almost the only thing missing, so I got that there. Then I got the correct harmonic balancer bolts, because apparently they have to be a special type of bolt that can, you know, have some clearance, I guess. And then we got J-nuts. That's the harmonic balancer bolts right there, which are, it says right here, crankshaft pulley bolts for Mopar big blocks. So apparently that's a special deal. I needed them anyway, so brand new hardware with locking washers. And then we got brand new bolts and J-nuts for the fenders. Now last but not least, my boys, this thing is gonna be a real man's car, you know, manhandle it, manual stuff. Anywho, I still wanna survive and don't break my knee, I guess, for some reason, or just ease of installation. So here is an American Powertrain Hydromax hydraulic clutch kit. And you have to buy the Mopar version, because for some reason I couldn't find it. American Powertrain doesn't supply this stupid spacer right here, which has a part number, but they don't supply it as a loose part or whatever. So you have to buy this whole kit, even though it's the complete same kit that I have over here on the bench for my Firebird, which I was planning on using, but nope. To get this one stupid little thing to space out the hydraulic bearing on a Mopar 4-speed, I had to buy a whole complete kit too. I needed 2 kits anyways, but yeah. Anyway, we're not gonna use any of this in this video, because this thing is still not ready. I actually wasn't expecting to get these parts as quick as I did. I only waited like, I only think two weeks or something. So the plan right now is to, I guess, prep the last few small things in engine bay and the trunk. And then we're gonna get some primer laid down in the engine bay, and in the trunk I'm gonna get some gold paint laid down, pretty much. So I guess that's the plan right now. And I do also have some, I believe, some clear coat or some kind of coating that can go on top of the gold. So let's get to it, shall we? Yeah, sure.